How to add admin on Messenger group chat. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up our Messenger. Next step, you're gonna just go ahead to your group that you created. So in my case, I created this group, so I'm gonna enter it. Next step, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just click on the top the name of the group chat. Okay, if you have a name for that group chat, maybe friends, colleagues, whatever the title is, you're gonna just click on it. In my case, I have my name, the other account's name replacement in another person, right? So I'm gonna just click that name. Next step, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down until you find see chat members. So I'm gonna just click on it. And here in the members section, if you want to add someone from the members of your group as an admin, you're gonna just go ahead and click the name of that person. Let's say for example this one, and you're gonna choose make admin right here in the blue highlighted option. Okay, if you want to add someone outside of this group, you're gonna just go ahead to the admins section right here on your right. Next step, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just click the plus button at the top right, and you're gonna just start searching by name the person that you want to add as an admin to your group chat on Messenger. Okay, so I'm gonna just click this one for example, and I'm gonna just add this person, and you're gonna see right here the member or the admin hasn't been added yet. That means that he is a member or she is a member of this group. You're gonna just go ahead to the all section, all members, and you're gonna just click that person that you just recently added as an admin or wish to add as an admin, and you're gonna just click and make an admin right here, and it's gonna be added as an admin right here on your group. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.